What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. And I just want to do a little disclaimer real quick. The video you're about to watch has a little bit of kids music playing in the background. So if you have kids, don't have them watch this video because they won't let you leave. Brooklyn Salute, I'm out. Action 4 versus Gopro Hero 12 Black. Alright, so 4K 60, both cameras, 4K 60. GoPro has horizontal leveling, and the Action 4 has on the horizontal balancing. So you can't turn it. You turn it 45 degrees, it won't shift. You know, like rotate or anything. And the GoPro, the Plus is I can turn it 360 and it won't change. So I'm waiting for this car to stop hitting its brakes and going, and so I can probably try and stick my hand out the window and drive a little bit, so we can get a little comparison going on. They're both in my hand. Both in my hands. Looking at the Action 4, see it's adding a little bit of color to the building. It's like a brownish color, but it looks reddish on the thing. It's closer to the GoPro on the screen, but I'll see how the video renders. And as soon as this green light goes, and we go. And hopefully this car don't keep pumping his brakes again still. Well, I guess in fairness, there's someone in front of it this time. In front of him, her, them. No, and they're turning. Okay. They're stop and go and stop and go and stop and go. Once we get to the turn, I'll stop the video and I'll call it a day. See if I can put these side by side, maybe overlap them. Turning signals matter, buddy. Turning signals matter. Alright, coming up on Kings Highway. As far as the audio goes for this, whichever camera comes out better, because they're sitting on top of each other, I'm sure I'm blocking a microphone or two. I just said turning signals matter and I didn't put my turning signal on, but now I got it on. Turning signal is on. Alright. Smoking hard up there. Jesus Christ. Alright, and once we get to Linden, I'll stop the video then. Squeegee guys. Who does squeegees anymore? Either way. Alright, but we're at Linden, so I'll stop the video here. This one's the GoPro, this one's the Action 4. GoPro, Action 4. Hero 12, Action 4. Alright.